Hey folks, I'm HP's Dr. Pink. Today's topic is a cool finger-picking riff with a special trick of mine. Gonna see which one. It's very effective. That one. Wait, let me try it. Flat plate. That one, and let's do it with a track. It's really cool. Yeah, and so on. It's pretty simple from the finger picking thing. The rhythm of the bit of trick is 2 or 3 tricks about this, but that one I'm going to show you now. The chords are as simple as they can be. A5 here, 2nd fret, index finger over 2 strings. G5, 3rd fret, A string damped. To D5. 3rd fret, 2nd fret, middle, 4 strings. So these are now the 3 chords which are played. Now when it comes to the finger picking, this can only be played with finger picking. But it's really easy for those among you who are not really good in finger picking. It's not so hard. So basically it's 1, 2. And the rhythm is essentially 1, 2, and 3, and 4. So we have a that note on 2 and 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4. First try this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then chord 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And the foot, you don't see the foot now, is also on 2, 4. This makes it really groovy. So to make it more complex, 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Then the thumb comes on 1, 2 on 2 end comes the thumb here, and on 3 and 3 end the upper part of the chord. Sorry. See, 1, 2, and 3, and from. And now at the ending comes the little special trick of mine. You make on 4 the dead notes, and then open the upper part and the open A string. 4 and, well, it's a 16 note figure, as you can see in the tabs if you want to download them in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. So you make, and I call this reverse stamping. You make a tapping with the left hand. So 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Here the damping, and then comes this little figure here. See, it's really cool. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. The trick is really first make the damping here with the left hand. As I call it a reverse damping. This figure is played 4 times. Then to G5. Basically, G5 and D5 are played in 1 bar, and so the rhythm figure is split it up on 2 chords. So 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Basically the same thing. Just after the damped note on 2, we switch to D5. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 2, and 3, 4. And the last time on 4 and we play A5. So 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 and comes the bass again, the open A string. So 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. and then the whole thing starts all over again. So I'm gonna first play it without the backing track, and you can see the effect of it. You can play it as a groovy thing, just one guitar, or with a band setting. So 1, 2, and 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. And now with the band. 2, 3. What also is cool, if you add a delay set on the quarter note of the beat with band, this gives a more wider sound. Folks, that was a simple finger-picking riff with one of my tricks, or two of them. No, it's actually one. The other one's not for me. The damp notes on 2 and 4 with foot and 2 and 4, and the reverse damping this figure. I would say that's, I never see it somewhere else, but probably somewhere somebody else is playing that one too. So I hope you love this one here. The tabs and the backing track can be downloaded in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. Follow me on Instagram as a new account there. Follow me on Spotify. Follow me on Google. Follow me everywhere. On Facebook, approaching 10,000 followers there. Still 80 missing. Please follow me there. Yeah, folks, that's more or less what I want to say. Dr. Pink. Yeah, it's gonna be later a tutorial of some lead guitar to this cool thing. So subscribe to this channel. Bye.